Welcome back to Dream Autos, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated muscle cars of the year, the 2025 Mustang Boss 302. This beast is back, and Ford has pulled out all the stops to make sure it's a worthy successor to its legendary lineage. The Boss 302 has always been a name that commands respect, and the 2025 model is no exception. Under the hood, it packs a newly tuned 5.0-liter Coyote V8, pushing out an estimated 500 horsepower. That's right, pure American muscle roaring to life. Ford has fine-tuned the engine to deliver maximum performance, with a higher redline, improved throttle response, and a more aggressive exhaust note that will make any car enthusiast's heart race. But raw power isn't the only thing that sets the Boss 302 apart. Ford has taken handling and aerodynamics to the next level. The car features a lightweight chassis with enhanced rigidity, improved suspension geometry, and a new adaptive damping system. Whether you're tearing up the track or carving corners on a winding road, the Boss 302 is built to dominate. And let's talk about that exterior. Ford has given the 2025 Boss 302 an aggressive new look that pays homage to its heritage while incorporating modern styling cues. A bold front grille, wider fender flares, a functional rear wing, and sleek LED lighting give it a menacing stance. It's not just about looking good, it's about maximizing airflow and downforce for peak performance. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed for true driving enthusiasts. Recaro bucket seats provide ultimate support, while the driver-focused digital dashboard delivers real-time performance data. Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system keeps you connected with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced telemetry system that lets you monitor lap times and G-forces on the go. One of the most exciting features of the 2025 Boss 302 is its track-ready mode. With the push of a button, you can unleash its full potential, adjusting everything from throttle mapping to suspension settings for an adrenaline-fueled driving experience. And yes, it's available with a manual transmission, keeping the driving purists happy. Ford has also focused on making this car as exclusive as it is powerful. Limited production numbers mean that getting your hands on one will be a challenge, but for those lucky enough, it's an experience like no other. Each model will come with a unique numbered badge, further cementing its status as a collector's dream. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Mustang Boss 302 the ultimate modern muscle car? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know if you'd take this beast for a spin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Dream Autos. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and everything you need to know about the hottest cars on the market. Until next time, keep the engines revving and the adrenaline pumping.